What's up, mga Kamiserable? It's another day, it's another vlog of Kamiserable. Kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, just like and share, mga Kamiserable. So yan guys, mayroon nga kaming natinan na McDonald's birthday party. So yan guys, enjoy na sila ng games dito, mga Kamiserable. At kasali nga ang ating mga kiddos na invited sa birthday party na to, mga Kamiserable. Huwag kalimutan pindutin ang bell para sa susunod na upload video na Kamiserable. Enjoy lang tayo dito guys. Happy watching!
Alright, so this is gonna be the team 1 and team 2. Alright, so we have team 1 versus team 2 and kids, listen carefully for our next kiddie game. Alright, so for our next kiddie game, this game is what we call treasure hunting. Alright, so everyone, treasure hunting is just like bring me, but it is according to colors. Okay, so for example, when I say I need an item with the color of red, all you need to do is to find something with the color of red and you're gonna put it in your own chair. Alright, so team 1, this will be your chair, and team 2, that will be your chair. Alright? Alright, so ulitin ko lang po ang mechanics. Kapag sinabi ko pong I need an item na may kulay pula, all we need to do is maghahanap lang po ng items inside this party area na may kulay pula. Alright, sige na, put it in your own chair. Paramihan po na tayo ng item per round. At kung sinong pinakamadaming item this round, that will get the 1 point. Okay, so hanggang 3 points lang po tayo. Paalala ko lang po, mommies and daddies, pwede po natin tulungan ng kids natin and help them win this game. Alright, so but we have one rule only. So, ang rule po natin ay bawal po ang McDonald's item. Okay, sa lahat po ng item na may logo ni McDonald's is not allowed or not counted po. Alright? Alright, so once again, pwede po tumulong si mommy and si daddy sa pag-ipuan ng stocks on the chair. Brother, so now, get ready, team 1 and team 2. Listen carefully for our first item. I will list the rest of the team 2. When the other players at the PK will please hold on around here. Ayan. Okay, so meron ba naman? Wait lang sa one. Alright, so team 1 and team 2, listen carefully for your first color. Alright, so for our first item, I need an item with the color of blue and 10, 9,
Maramihan pala yun.
Alright, so now let's count the first, the team 1.
Maramihan ang dala.
6 items for the team 1 and how about the team 2? 2 items for the team 2, so obviously 1 point goes to team 1.
So, ayun na nga guys, may mascot na, may birthday, mga Kamiserable. Akala ko tapang-tapang ng bunso ko, yung pala, takot pala siya sa mascot, mga Kamiserable. Paano pa siya makikipagtagpo kay Jollibee kung takot siya kay Birdie at kay Hamburglar? So, ayun guys, nakakatuwa naman ang eksenang ito at memories naman talaga. Thank you po sa pag-invite sa amin dito sa birthday party na ito. At napakasayang memories na makasama sa birthday celebration mo. Happy birthday, Gillan!
cause it ain't a party, so my crew run through. Shake somebody, show me what you can do, like rock your body, mic check 1, 2, cause it ain't a party, so my crew run through. Shake somebody, show me what you can do, like 1, 2, 3,
Habang nagpapakahirap kang siraan ako, heto ko. Lamon lang ng lamon, para alam mong wala akong pakialam sa'yo.
Hindi na po biro yung pinagdadaanan ko. Yung kadagising ko. Paganda ako ng paganda.
Kung hindi lang ako cute, matagal na ako sumuko sa buhay eh.
Bahala ka sa buhay mo. Ate,
Bakit?
totoo ba na lahat ng magaganda palaging problemado?
Bakit ako tinatanong mo? Ang dami-dami ko na nga problema, oh. Dadagdag ka pa?
Ay, sa dami ng stress ko tong araw na to, mas pinili ko pa rin maging maganda.